Hello YouTube, today I'm doing the aircon pipe on a Volvo V50. I've taken the strut brace off because mine's the 2.4 D5. I've taken the strut brace off and I've taken the engine cover off. Yeah, my aircon, somebody has basically cross-threaded the valve that's right in there. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, needless to say, that valve now doesn't work. So this one down here is a 13mm. Problem is because it's a stupid angle. Also, this is why I have a magnet on a stick. So if you've got the 2 litre, you won't have to do this. If you've got the 2.4 D5, you will actually have to take just the top engine mount. It's supported from underneath, obviously, but yeah, it's just because you need this coolant tub, you need this pipe to get out of the way, and obviously where the engine mount is here on the 2.4, you've just got no space whatsoever. To get that out, you just pull the plastic clip that's on there, you just pop that off. I couldn't record because someone stood talking to me. There you go. So we've got one pipe. The new one is black, the old one is silver. I don't know why. I'll pop this off because the new one, as you can see, doesn't have anything on. Probably going to need 2 pulls for this, just because I don't want to break the plastic. As you're pulling it off, twist it, and that should just let it pop right off. So that's there. Boop. Done. Not just good, good enough. So we've got the new one, we've got the old one. All looks alright, the connections look the same, pipe looks the same. There and there. Happy days. So we've got that back in, we've got the engine mount back on. I haven't put the coolant tank on properly yet, which I probably should do that actually. Anywho, I've used the magnet trick and I've tightened this bolt up that was under here, this 13mm. Yeah, we're going to get this back round and then I'm going to put it on and show you. So we can't particularly see anything, but we've obviously got this all buttoned up. I'm going to definitely have to find the work specs for this, just to double check them all alright. That feels alright, that feels tight. This is a brilliant idea. You literally just clip it in, like push it in, that's how it unlocks. I can't remember if I put it at the start of the video, but yeah. So we've clipped that back on, we've got everything together, we've got that back on. Obviously you're going to want to take it, get it vacuum sealed and then regassed. Ideally I should have put a new compressor on, but I just didn't, so unfortunately that's probably something I'm going to have to live to regret, but we shall see. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Get it regassed, enjoy your nice cool air.